What are the top three earthquake insurance companies in the state of Washington? In the state of Washington, you can add earthquake insurance to your homeowner's insurance policy as an endorsement. However, that policy may not offer the coverage that you're looking for. They might not offer the deductible choice that you're looking for. And shopping with the private earthquake insurance companies that specialize in earthquake insurance in the state of Washington may be in your best interest. You may be able to get a deductible as low as 2.5%. You might be able to get the coverage, the right coverage that you're looking for. And taking a look at those policies will probably put you in a better position as far as getting a lower rate and getting a better coverage for your earthquake insurance. So let's look at some of those companies together now. The top three earthquake insurance companies in Washington we've selected because of their competitiveness and their rates, the coverage availability, and the deductible choices, as well as the financial stability of the companies. And in no particular order, we're going to look at first GeoVera, underwritten by Coastal Select Insurance Company. This is the Flex Limit program, and it has an AM Best rating of A financially. It is a customizable coverage, so we can change the other structures, personal property, loss of use for you. They accept dwellings 1925 or higher. So if your home is built 1925 or above, they'll accept that. The deductible choices are 2.5% to 25%. They do not have a slope restriction, and they accept many different foundation types like posts and piers, slab, or cross base with a concrete perimeter or wooden perimeter. Those are just fine. The other program GeoVera has is their single limit program. It is also A rated by AM Best. They have two coverage options, the comprehensive and the standard coverage. The comprehensive includes dwelling, other structures, personal property, loss of use combined into one balloon limit. And then the standard coverage is pretty much just a dwelling coverage. They don't have age restriction on the dwelling. So if your home is built in the 1800s, they'll accept that. The deductibles range from 10% to 25%. Though some areas and in the standard program, it's restricted to just a 10% deductible. There is no slope restriction and many acceptable foundation types, just like in their other program. The last one is going to be Palomar. They're A-rated financially again. It is very customizable. So if you wanted to have the dwelling coverage equal to the other structures coverage, you could do that with Palomar. They'll take the older homes 1900 and above. So if your home is built in the 1900 or above, they'll accept that. The deductibles range from 2.5% to 25%. They have a slight slope acceptability, but for the steeper slopes, we'll have to get prior approval for that from the underwriting. And the foundation types they accept is slab, cross base with a concrete perimeter. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the earthquake insurance carriers we offer in Washington State. And if you'd like to get more information on those particular carriers, if you'd like us to shop the rates for you and give you some more information on that, go ahead and give us a call or go to our website to earthquakeagent.com and fill out a quote form today.